I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by getting the right tools and removing power. Safety matters. Use a T6 driver and small Phillips. Pry tools prevent plastic damage. First, remove the battery or charge pack, then peel the sticker covering the central screw. Unscrew the 5 outer screws and gently separate the shell with a plastic tool so ribbon cables stay intact. Work slowly. This prevents torn flex cables. Once the halves split, make sure you have a clean, well-lit surface for the next steps. Now you focus on the joystick module itself. Precision matters. First, inspect whether the joystick is soldered or plugged in. Many models use a small connector. If soldered, heat joints with a soldering iron and free the 3 pins. If plug-in, depress the latch and pull gently. Remove any retaining clip or screw and lift the module straight up to avoid board damage. Take a photo of orientation and cap placement for reassembly. This step prevents miswiring and ensures the new part will align correctly. Finish by installing the replacement joystick. Alignment is the key. Seat the new module in the PCB, solder each pin with clean, shiny joints or clip the connector into place. Make sure pins match their original positions. Reassemble the shell, tighten screws snugly and reinstall batteries. Power on and test movement in the controller settings. Recalibrate if drift appears. If controls are dead or drifting, reopen and check for cold solder joints or a misseated connector. Reflow solder or receipt cable and test again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.